Forex trading on Webull is not currently available because Webull focuses on equities, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrency trading, but not directly on foreign exchange markets. However, if you are looking to get exposure to currency fluctuations, you can trade Forex-related financial instruments like currency ETFs. Webull offers currency ETFs that allow you to invest in specific currency pairs indirectly. Search for ETFs related to specific currencies, such as the Invesco Currency Share Series, which track the performance of various currencies against the US dollar. Foreign exchange-related stocks. You can trade stocks of companies with significant exposure to international markets or currency exchange. ADR. Webull also offers ADRs, which are stocks of foreign companies trading on US exchanges. While not Forex trading, they can give you exposure to foreign currencies, since the value of the ADR may reflect currency changes. Cryptocurrency trading. Webull allows crypto trading, where you can invest in digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Though not traditional Forex, this offers exposure to digital currencies.